sugar, nutmeg. Yep, it's your favorite time of the day. Dessert. Strawberry rhubarb crepes. I just love rhubarb. But who's got time to hull and slice? Look at that. Magic. Sweet strawberries, tart rhubarb, nostalgic, and feel good. Cancer. It's your jam. Speaking of jam, that needs to simmer. And while it does, let's make crepes. Fancy pancakes, milk, flour, eggs, and butter. We know what you do like, but what about 3 things Cancer should never eat? No chicken a la king, nothing named after royalty, not even Leo, and no almond milk. Cause like, how would you even milk an almond? And no eggplant. Because is it an egg or is it a plant? Like, looks just like the moon that rules you. So good. Simple classic ricotta cheese for simple classic Cancerians. I'm on a roll today. Time to dig on in. Ooey, gooey, and oh so chewy. That is a dessert.